Hello, mathematicians. Today's warm-up is actually going to be a new one. Basically, I'm going to show you this card, and you are going to figure out the answer. But the most important part of this exercise is that you are able to explain to someone why you got that answer. So this first one that I'm showing you says 11 more than 24. Please pause the video and explain how you got your answer. Let me explain how I got my answer. I saw the 11 as a 10 and 1 1. I know that 11 has 1 10 and 1 1. And then I saw the 24 as 2 10s and 4 1s. So I know that there's 2 10s and 1 more 10, and that's 3 10s. And then I also saw 4 and 1, which is 5. So I know that the answer is 35. Another way you might see this is if you think of, instead of saying 11 more than 24, you could think of it as 10 more than 24, which would be 34, but then you need to add on that 1, which would be 35. Here's the next one. Stop the video and explain your thinking. My thinking, here's what I did. I know that if I took 1 from this 6, I would be left with 5. And I put it over here, I would have 45. So really I have 45 and 5 more. And I know how to count by 5s, so I know that 45 and 5 more is 50. Another way you might see this is you see the 6 1s and you add it to the 4 1s because you know that 6 and 4 make another 10. So there's a 10 and then there's the 4 more 10s, which would equal 50. Let's do one more. Stop the video and explain your thinking. This card says 9 more than 18. Let me explain how I saw this. What I did was I took 1 from here and moved it to the 9 because I want to make it a 10. So now if I took 1 from that 8 and moved it here, that would be 10 and 17. Well, I know that 10 more than 17 is 27. You might also think of this as if you want to get that 18 to 20. If you wanted to get that 18 to 20, you would take 2 from this 9 to make it 20. But then you'd be left with what up there? 7. 7 and 20, which is 27. Thank you so much for joining me for the math warm-up today.